Hey traders, welcome to the Forex market analysis session. If you guys are new, my name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and the developer of MPS software. In today's video, I will analyze the 4-hour time frame of my whole portfolio of 19 pairs. As usual, my analysis consists of 3 parts: identification, trade execution, and trade management. My identification is done by MPS version 5. If you are interested, click the link in description and go to my website www.ps-software.net. On the front page, watch this first video number 1, the introduction, the difference between advanced formation and harmonic patterns, and video number 2, it is the complete demonstration and tutorial of all the functions available in the MPS software. If you want to have a quick list of all the functions, and if you wish to compare the versions that I offer, so you can click to this compare versions tab and just compare manual, auto, or pro variations. So which functions are available in manual, which are available in auto, and which are in pro. Okay, that's it. Now let's do the analysis. Euro dollar, nothing. Dollar yen, we had this godly pattern and it went to the upside. As I told you yesterday, if we have a breakout of this potential reversal zone, we will most likely move higher. So this is exactly what happened. So when I say a breakout, I mean a bull trend bar that closes above the potential reversal zone. So let me draw the potential reversal zone by this rectangle, and you see this is a bull trend bar. What exactly is a bull trend bar? A bull trend bar is a bar that has a body more than 50% of total range of the candle. So we have very large body. If compared to the total range, it is obviously more than 50%, and my indicator that is called the trend bar indicator shows an arrow to the upside. So this means we'll have a bull trend bar. If we have an arrow to the downside, this means we'll have a bear trend bar. According to my rules, no breakout can happen if we don't have a bull trend bar. So we may spike it by other bars. By the way, if we don't have a bull trend bar, other bars are called dodgy bars or range bars. So they cannot break anything. So whether you use trend lines or breaking support resistant methods or whatever, you should use this concept of bull trend bar. And guys, as I told you, if we have a breakout to the upside, yes, then price often comes to retest the zone that was marked by the pattern, and typically broken resistance turns into a support. So it is exactly what happened today. Wait for this bar to close. We will have a bull trend bar in our direction, and this will be enough to initiate a trade to the upside. We have 1 hour 21 minutes left before this bull trend bar closes. So this is the strategy for this godly pattern. You should keep this in mind, that the pattern is both. It can give you a reaction. If we had a bear trend bar within this zone, after testing all the levels of this zone, if we would have a bear trend bar, we would trade it to the upside. But we had a bull trend bar. This installed an upside bias, so waited for a retest and now entered. Maybe some of you already in this trade waiting for these highs to be tested. Now let's go pound dollar. We still have some space till the completion of this bullish shark pattern. Okay, again, let us go here first, and what we see, we had a bear trend bar. It was initial reaction to the downside. We gapped to the upside, and then we closed the bear trend bar in the beginning of this week. But then we finally installed one bull trend bar, and the second one breaking through this B point. So what it tells me is that the price will most likely move to complete the pattern rather than invalidate it. So the invalidation is here if we go below the C point of a shark pattern. Okay, so the odds are in the favor of a completion. So this is an uptrend. Let's go next. Euro yen, we have nothing. Aussie dollar, nothing. Pound yen, nothing. Dollar Canadian, nothing. New Zealand dollar, nothing. Pound OC, nothing. Euro GBP, we almost completed this butterfly pattern, didn't hit the last level. Well, right now price came back to test the C point of the butterfly. For me it invalidates the pattern for me. Very choppy C to D leg. I'd like the movements to be straight. Okay, same stuff here. We didn't test the potential reversal zone of a crab pattern, starting the movement to the upside. Even if it goes lower, I wouldn't consider this to be a valid crab pattern. I like the movement to be straight. Aussie yen, okay, nothing. Euro Canadian, two potential patterns. One of them is a dip grab pattern that coincides with the shark pattern, and another one is a bat pattern. So if price goes here, look at the buying opportunity first. We'll have a higher probability for a buying scenario to happen. Simply wait for a bull trend buy and then initiate your trade, or if it breaks through, then wait for a bear trend bar to break through these levels and initiate your sales. And vice versa, if it goes to the upside and completes the scenario of the shark plus deep crab pattern, first wait for a pullback trade, for a reversal trade. As a confirmation, use the concept of a bear trend bar, or wait for a breakout, and as a confirmation of a breakout, wait for a bull trend bar. So either this or this. Pound Canadian, nothing here. New Zealand yen, we started a reversal from this shark. Okay, so here's the shark pattern. You see we just completed the pattern. Next candle is so-called stabilization candle. This first candle is a bull trend bar, and initially it seemed to me that we are going to break it through. So let me apply some other number of this, and it goes to 61A. The 61A goes beyond 113. No. Well, let me do it a bit different way. The extension in MetaTrader 4 is a bit strange. I will do it this way. Yes, the 61A goes just at this 886 completion level. So the potential reversal zone looks this way. We had a bull trend bar that actually closed above this resistance level, and typically we should have a follow through. What is a follow through? It is a second bull trend bar or whatever that confirms our breakout. For example, this way we had a bull trend bar, next one is a bull trend bar, and a bull trend bar as well. Yes, so we should have this, but instead of that we had a stabilization, and this was followed by a bear trend bar. So this bear trend bar makes the previous breakout candle of a bull trend bar look like a false breakout. And after that we installed a higher low, and we tried to break these highs once again and failed. So this double top even further confirms the reversal. So, and then reversal started. The initial reaction typically goes to where? To 382 of C to D leg, so we still have some space. This is the so-called IPO zone, the initial profit objective zone. So the initial reaction will typically go here, After that, the pattern is most likely tested for the second time, and if you will look at the second time test, you can find a very large reversals, or if it is broken, you can find a very large movements to the upside. Okay, wait for this to be tested for the second time, because obviously targets are almost hit. It makes no sense to enter it right now. Euro New Zealand alternative shark. Okay, potential shark pattern is setting up. Canada yen, nothing is here. OC Canadian, we had this alternative shark, alternative shark, this one. So you can see how it reacted the alternative level. OC Canadian nothing, and OC New Zealand a potential godly, but it is very far away from completion. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.